Bro, I'm finna rob this kid, bro. Hey, you! Run them pockets!
Say hello to my little friend!
I think he...
Clapping my cheeks, really?
No. Welcome back, guys. This is part 4 of the series, and welcome to Animal Company. This is part 4 of the series, and today, wait, what are we even gonna do today?
I don't
What do you want? What do you want to do?
know. We should like explore around.
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna explore around.
Monkey,
go.
monkey!
Let's go peek.
I got a flashlight.
Oh wait, I want to go in there.
There? Let's go.
Hey, I'm strapped.
Oh, there's a button.
Don't press the button.
Yo, dude, there's a button.
Okay, let me press the button. Wait on. Don't press it. Uh-oh.
Hang on, I gotta stay.
Alright.
This is like the back rooms.
For real, bro. This is like the office. Ooh, what's down here? Ooh, what's that?
Yo, bro, I found a chair.
I found a phone.
I'm
Hello?
spinning like a ballerina.
Okay, I saw an entrance upstairs.
Alright, let's go. It's so hard being 6'4".
Blood wishes.
Little did, big dream.
Oh, you have to grab onto one of these. Wait, what? Wait, I'm confused.
What is it?
Wait, I see.
Bro.
Wait. Oh, I see.
Oh crap. Wait, what the hell?
Bro, I need my grapple hook for this. Hold on. What? 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 Oh wait, I can.
Little did, big dreams.
Damn it. Oh.
Oh dude, I found a little secret.
Huh. Oh me.
Yo bro, I made it up before you.
Yeah, I'm still trying to figure out how to get up.
Okay, dude, go to this wire right here. Hang on. Dude, come down, come down.
Hold on.
Baby, lockdown, lockdown. ਅਸੀਂ ਤਾਂ
Oh,
ਬੜੀ
this is good.
ਕੰਡੂਸੀ ਕੱਢੀ ਦੀ ਬਾਹਰ lockdown. Oh, lockdown.
Oh, what the?
Oh, it's like puppy playtime.
Oh, then we're cooked. Exit.
Yo, let's get our weapons out real quick. Let's get our weapons. Stay strapped, homies.
Stay strapped, homies. Pulls out a fucking bazooka.
It's an RPG.
Ooh! Got an elevator. Does it work? Oh, it works. Oh, it works.
Alright,
Oh, let's do
Stand
the
behind
wait.
me.
Let's do the middle
always
finger
gotta be
trend.
ready.
Oh, I was about to say, let's do the middle finger trend.
What the hell?
Where are
It
we?
teleported us.
For real.
We're in a hospital type thing.
Press it.
Hey yo, stay strapped, homies.
What was that? Did you hear that?
I don't know. Yeah, I also heard that. Oh nah. It's all Donald Trump.
Did you hear that?
Hey,
Loot.
Already? Oh shit. Yo, run!
My body pressed the
Okay,
button.
swim over here, swim over here.
Just take me.
There we go.
What's up, my ops? I hear a
There's a
phone.
phone.
I hear it. I hear it. It's right here.
Hello?
What was that? What was that? Oh. It's you.
I call dibs on the blue one.
Wait. Ooh, you got flamethrower.
Dude, where'd you go?
Like a tape.
Did you hear that?
Yeah, I hear it. Hey, come over here.
I think it's in the elevator. Stand behind me. What the heck? This place is huge. Uh-oh. Yo.
Hey, I'm on top
How'd you get on top?
by using my grapple. Oh, I found it. Oh wait, never
the
mind.
keycard?
Never mind. It's just like a weird little code.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't know what it's for.
Yeah.
Copy.
Yo, what's down there?
I don't know, let's go look.
I can easily just get out too. Wait, you can't get out.
Yeah.
Wait, you can't. Unless I throw my grab.
I could put my RPG in my bag and just wall climb this.
Oh yeah. Are you good at it?
Am I good at it? This guy says.
Oh, it's.
I'm doing it. I'm doing it.
Hey, good job. Alright, let's get out of here. Oh.
Allah Akbar.
Alright, let's get out of here. I'm going. Yeah, I'm out. I'm out.
I killed it though.
Open it. Yeah, we're out. I'm
Ooh,
out.
what's
No
this?
more shredders. No more shredders. It's over
Dude,
here.
I did find a shredder.
Yeah, I said no more shredders. PNG images.
Swear if there's a monster in here. Oh, I locked it up. Let me in. Go in. Go in. Go in.
I can't.
No way. Come on. Elevator prank. There's a PNG monster. Alright, let's get my backpack. Alright, it's over here somewhere.
Yeah, my backpack too.
I thought something was wrong.
What was you right there? How are we supposed to get our stuff?
I don't know, just walk past. Wait, go to the phone that's beeping. Oh god!
Go, go, go.
Up here, up here.
It's over here, it's over here. Oh hell no! There's an anglerfish! Angler!
Oh god, oh god.
No, there's no stuff. All of our stuff is gone.
Where?
All of it's gone.
Oh, come on, dude. That was my only backpack.
I know.
like my fun!
What are we
Oh my fun.
That was a
I'm
life.
starving, bro.
That was a life or death scenario. No, I
Let's
don't
leave.
Yeah, let's leave.
This is really weird. It must be radioactive stuff.
Yeah.
I'm feeling kind of woozy. I taste metal.
Bro's tripping.
You straight tripping, dog.
All right, want to go mining? Want to go mining?
It's always the same thing with these videos, dude.
Just mine.
Boy, so tough.
Was it just mining? Or is it dying?